Hi, well, I've been here at the Manchester show for a good couple of hours now, but I've just been pulled by these two guys, and he reckons that I was responsible for him to buy a caravan, him and his wife. Well, since then, they've sort of moved into doing caravan parts, and they've got a little stand here, well, quite a big stand, and they do all the moulded parts. They'll do parts of caravans way back to some. Anyway, I'll let them explain. Let's talk to Mike first.
I'm Mike from caravanpanels.com. We do motorhome panels as well. We do all sorts of different kind of things for the caravan industry. We do things like sinks, light pods, wheel spats. We do A-frame covers. We do shower trays, lower rear panels. We do full front panels and back panels. A-frame covers again, you can see there. Wheel spats for motorhomes. You name it, we do it.
Well, I must admit, this is something that people come on to me about, where they can get bits of pieces for their old vans. Because you know, I'm a bit mad on old Taurus and motorhomes, and this looks to be the perfect place to come. And apparently, you've just moved to a bigger premises, haven't you?
We have done. We've moved over to Singleton from Catford in Preston, gone to a much larger place. It's 5 times the size of what we was in, and we have parts going back to the late 70s. 1978 is when we pick up the baton, and we run right up today to around about 2022.
That's fantastic. So just show us some of the things you've got here, please, Mike.
Sure thing. I mean, this here is a very common caravan sink that we sell all the time. This covers quite a lot of different brands as well. You'll find this in Swift, you'll find it in Eldis, you'll find it in several ones, and it's also available in an opposite hand version as well.
Right, okay.
Okay, we do all sorts of things like here. We've got little front skirt pods that goes on to motorhomes. Again, this covers
I suppose those are things that get knocked very easily, don't they?
This is exactly what it's for, really. If you're going to be banging something, you want to be able to replace it quickly and cheaply. So that's where we come in, really.
So you do, obviously, yes, you've got the sinks here. You said you do the A-frames for Taurus?
Yeah, we do. This one here is off obviously everybody knows that Luna are no longer with us, but this one's here off a Luna Caravan. You know, we do Swift as well, we do Compass, Eldis, tons and tons, all of them. We go across the whole gambit of the actual
and sink units as well.
Sinks, yeah, we just had a look at that sink there now. This one's out of a Bailey. As you can see here now, this one's it's all in solid fiberglass as well. It's not thin plastic.
I was just going to say, that's the thing with ABS. It's likely to
crack easily.
It breaks.
They suffer from thermal cracking.
Right.
Hot water, cold water, so they tend to split around the bottom. But we do. Just trying to grab. So here's another one for you. Another Eldis A-frame cover.
Gosh. So what year is that from, roughly?
Wow, these 2006
something. Yeah.
2006 up to about 2012, maybe 14. Going off top of my head. This is off a Eldis motorhome, Compass. You find these knocking across various models of the range over different years. If you go to our website, you'll find absolutely thousands of panels available on that website.
Shower trays as well, which is, again,
we do.
Can be a bit of a problem, can't it?
As you can see here on this one here at the back, this one covers Swift, Ace. It goes across Buccaneer, Bessecar.
So do you actually do the GRP?
We manufacture it all ourselves. It's all handmade here in the UK in GRP, and we can dispatch anywhere in the UK and globally if needed.
I mean, this is fantastic. A real little treasure trove. I've sort of stumbled across it, as I say, because your helper here. Give us your name again, sorry.
Hello, I'm Paul. I work for Caravan Panels for the past 2 years. I was lucky enough to find Michael and Gillian who run this company, and they do a fantastic product, and I'm proud to work for it.
Brilliant. It was he who pulled me across. I mean, the quality is really very good. I'm impressed with that quality.
Yeah. We have been doing it a long time. We've been going around about 24, 25 years. You know, so we know our stuff. You know,
it shows. So obviously you don't do the NEC.
Not yet.
Right.
We've not done the NEC yet. This is
what about the Harrogate show?
This is our first show.
It's your first show.
This is our first show.
And what's the reaction been like, Mike? Has
There's been a
people
lot of interest. A lot of people haven't known about us that
Excuse me.
we're out there. So this is the idea of coming to the shows, is to make sure that we can get the word out there so people that are struggling to find parts can easily find them.
I mean, it's just amazing. I mean, as I say, I know that there's people have damaged parts. Things on like ABI vans,
Yes,
wheel
yeah.
back covers and things, and there's several Facebook pages out there, and there's always people wanting to know, can they get a new moulded bit for this new well? And the general answer usually is, well, you know, you're going to have to try and find one at a scrapyard of some description, but on the whole, I mean, you are a little oasis in the desert, aren't you, with all your panels?
Well, even if we don't have the part that you're looking for, we can take the part that you have and remold it for you and provide you with a brand new part. So say for instance you had a sink that was in an old Ace Caravan that no one has, and we didn't have it. You could send us your old sink, we would copy that for you and provide you a brand new one in GRP, nice shiny sink to go back into your caravan or your motorhome. So,
and I would think as well, actually, when it comes to continental made, well, caravans, but mainly more motorhomes, is getting parts for them is going to be very, very difficult. I'm thinking of like trim, you know, moulded trim for things like, you know, for any particular imported motorhome, because it's bad enough sometimes for the UK. They mind getting them from abroad.
I know. Well, we do a lot of side skirts. We do absolutely hundreds and hundreds of side skirts for motorhomes and for caravans. On caravans these days, you don't find so much. They've sort of gone almost trimless now across the bottom.
Yes.
But the motorhomes in particular, we do a lot of side skirts for.
Well, I think it's fantastic, and I'm going to look at going across. This is just a small little video I'm doing on them because I just think it was really valuable to do a video on them. And I think I'd like to get across to you your
certainly
workshop, factory, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what you call it.
It's a factory. It's a production factory.
It's a production factory, and come and have a look and show everybody, my subscribers, basically, what
you're welcome over anytime.
Because I think it's a valuable service you do. I mean, not just for the old stuff, but for the modern stuff as well.
We have quite a lot of modern stuff.
Getting some of this stuff is not easy, and it's very difficult. And as I say, the quality is really, really first class. I'm really, really pleased about that. It is, gosh, good, solid.
Yeah.
Better than what you actually all the time, to be quite honest. Because a lot of them are quite flimsy.
Yeah.
You have to be very careful. Right, Mike. Well, thanks very much for that insight. And
thank you.
I want to come to the factory. It'll probably be now after NEC anyway.
Yeah.
So we're probably talking end of Feb, March.
Okay.
I'm going to do a couple of factory visits because I love going to a factory, anything to do with Caravan motor and stuff.
Yeah.
Seeing what's made and how it's made, and basically, I'd be interested to see how this is all done.
Come on down.
It's a shame you can't make a moulded Caravan, isn't it? like a going.
Yeah, we give it a go.
You give it a go.
We give it a go.
Like a equivalent of a going, but a UK equivalent.
Yeah.
Maybe I shouldn't have said that. Maybe going won't be right with me now saying that. There was actually at one stage a rumour that Going were going to produce something in the UK, and the manufacturer was going to do it was Vanmaster.
Vanmaster.
But it never came off, unfortunately.
Okay.
Because you remember Vanmaster caravans.
Yes, I certainly do.
And Van Royce, because they're ex Van Royce people. Started Vanmaster up. But no, that's great. So I'm just going to wrap this video up and say thank you again to Mike for that. And so log on to his website. Tell us again, Mike, what your website is.
www.caravanpanels.com.
There you go. So any dodgy, dented, any knocks and bangs on your trim, the moulded trim, Mike's the man. I'll see you on the next vlog, and please keep watching, please subscribe, and I'd be interested to hear what you've got to say. about this and tell me, do you think it's a great idea? Because I certainly think it is. And I'm sure there's a lot of people out there who have had to put the caravans into sort of dry dock for a while because they're waiting for parts or can't get them. Well, this guy is the one to do it. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.